In 2008, the world met Bitcoin. It was a revolutionary moment in the history of finance and technology. A mysterious person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto created it. Bitcoin was different. Unlike traditional currencies, it was decentralized. It wasn't controlled by banks or governments. This meant no single entity had power over it, making it a truly global currency. This was a new idea, digital money, free for everyone. People were curious. They wanted to understand how it worked and what it could mean for the future of money. What was this Bitcoin thing? Some saw its potential. They believed it could change the world. Others were unsure, skeptical of its value and security. It was a time of excitement and a bit of mystery. People from all walks of life started to explore this new digital frontier, wondering if it was the future of money or just a passing fad. Bitcoin was created with a purpose: financial freedom. Traditional money systems have rules, controlled by powerful institutions. Bitcoin offered an alternative. It gave people control over their own money. No more banks deciding what you can and can't do with your money. Bitcoin transactions are direct, peer-to-peer. It's about individuals having the power, not big institutions. Some people call Bitcoin digital gold. Like gold, Bitcoin is scarce. There's a limited amount that will ever exist. This scarcity makes Bitcoin valuable, just like gold. As more people invest, the demand for Bitcoin grows. This increasing demand, coupled with its limited supply, could lead to its price appreciating over time. Section 4. Riding the Bitcoin wave. Investing in Bitcoin can seem risky. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and Bitcoin is no exception. Its price goes up and down, sometimes dramatically. One day it can soar to new heights, and the next it can plummet unexpectedly. But for many, that's part of the excitement. The thrill of watching the market and the potential for high returns can be exhilarating. It's like riding a wave. You need to hold on tight. Just like a surfer navigating the ocean, Bitcoin investors must be prepared for the ups and downs. Remember, every investment has risks. It's crucial to do your research and understand what you're getting into before diving in. But Bitcoin's potential for growth is what attracts many investors. They see the possibility of significant returns and the chance to be part of a financial revolution. They see it as a way to diversify their portfolios and potentially profit from its unique characteristics. Bitcoin offers a decentralized and innovative approach to finance, which can be appealing to those looking for alternatives to traditional investments. Staying informed about market trends and news is essential. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the dynamics of Bitcoin can help you navigate its waves more effectively. And when you do catch that perfect wave, the rewards can be incredibly satisfying. So, are you ready to ride the Bitcoin wave? Section 5, Bitcoin's place in the future. What's next for Bitcoin? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing is certain. Bitcoin is here to stay. More and more businesses are accepting it as payment. Governments are starting to understand its potential. The future of Bitcoin is full of possibilities. It could change how we think about money and finance. Section 6, a world transformed. Imagine a world where everyone has access to a fair financial system. A system that doesn't discriminate based on geography, race, or economic status. A system that is inclusive and accessible to all, regardless of where they are in the world. A world without borders, where sending money is as easy as sending an email. No more waiting days for international transfers or paying exorbitant fees. Transactions are instant, secure, and transparent. Bitcoin has the potential to make this a reality. By leveraging blockchain technology, Bitcoin can create a decentralized financial system that is fair and open to everyone. It's a future where individuals have more control over their financial lives. They can manage their money without relying on traditional banks or financial institutions. They have the power to make their own financial decisions. A future where financial freedom is available to everyone. Imagine a world where people from all walks of life can achieve financial independence, where they can save, invest, and grow their wealth without barriers. Bitcoin might just be the key. It has the potential to unlock financial opportunities for millions of people around the world. By providing a fair and transparent financial system, Bitcoin can empower individuals and transform lives.